Everyone, in this video, I will share with you how to fix and solve this problem on YouTube. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now, and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps. Here as you see will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search only for YouTube. When you found YouTube, open it like this and go to storage option. Then go to clear data, click OK, also clear cache, go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now back. And what's next is to restart your phone. Now guys, you have to restart your phone. After this, go and open YouTube and you see that all your problems will be solved on YouTube. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.